Hi guys, usually when the code is in use, what you need to do is go to the game, and then for example it's GTA, just click on settings in there, and then once you're there, go to your account information and then click delete local profile. This will actually remove your data along with the code. Next thing you can do is you go to your Rockstar games in your documents, and then go find social club, then just right click and delete it. And the next thing you can do is go to your Steam, and then go to your library, and then go to the game, and then just right click, go to properties, and click on the installed files and verify the integrity of the game. Once it's done, relaunch the game, and then if it doesn't work again, go back to your game, then right click manage, and then click browse local files. And then in here, just go and find the exact file. For in here, it's gta5.exec. Then right click to properties, and then make sure all these boxes are unchecked. If it is, then go untick the box and then click apply and OK. Then go ahead and start your game again.